Selecting the ideal plumber in Manchester is crucial not only for ensuring high-quality work but also for maintaining the integrity and safety of your property. A well-informed decision can save you from unnecessary stress and future financial burdens. This involves understanding the scope of your plumbing needs, the expertise required, and the reliability of the service provider. The right choice brings peace of mind, knowing that any plumbing issues will be resolved efficiently and affordably, and helps build a trusted relationship for any future needs. Making an informed choice thus leads to both immediate satisfaction and long-term benefits. Verifying a plumber's qualifications and certifications is essential for guaranteeing professional and legal compliance. This ensures that the plumber has undergone proper training and is updated with the latest plumbing standards and codes. Certified plumbers are likely to deliver high-quality work that adheres to safety standards, reducing the risk of malfunction or accidents. It's important to request proof of these credentials before hiring to protect your home and financial investment. This step also assures that if any legal issues arise, the plumber's certified status provides a basis for accountability and recourse. Reading reviews and testimonials from previous customers is a powerful tool when choosing a plumber. These insights offer a glimpse into the plumber's reliability and quality of work, helping potential customers predict the outcome of their own projects. Positive feedback often indicates a trustworthy and competent service provider, whereas multiple negative reviews might raise red flags about professionalism or effectiveness. Always spend time assessing these reviews to make a more informed decision. This not only helps avoid potential disappointments but also ensures that the plumber you choose is aligned with your expectations and service requirements. Comparing the pricing of various plumbers in Manchester is crucial to ensure you aren't overspending while still receiving quality service. Prices can vary significantly depending on the experience, the complexity of the job, and even the timing of your call. To effectively compare pricing, gather quotes from multiple service providers for the same job specifications. Understanding the different pricing models, such as flat rates versus hourly rates, is also vital. This comparison not only helps in finding a competitively priced plumber but also in understanding what components are included in the price, like parts and labor, which prevents unexpected costs. Asking for recommendations from friends, family, or local forums is a proven strategy to find reliable and efficient plumbers. Personal endorsements are invaluable because they come from first-hand experiences, providing insights into the plumber's professionalism, timeliness, and overall quality of work. Leveraging your network for recommendations often leads to discovering trustworthy service providers who have already established a positive reputation in your community. Moreover, local forums and social media can also offer a broader range of opinions and experiences, helping you make a well-rounded decision based on the collective feedback from your local area.